Hi, grade 5, grade 5 Egyptian syllabus. This video for grade 5 Egyptian syllabus for how to write a paragraph in the exam. Before I will go to our lesson today, or our task, or our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to support me for giving more and more. Let's go to our lesson today. Before I will go to know how to practice you how to write a paragraph, I would like to know the steps of writing paragraph. Okay, so here we have the steps that we must be in your paragraph. So we have in paragraph we have 3 parts: topic, sentence, support sentence, concluding sentence. Concluding means what? Concluding means the brief of the idea. This is the concluding. Supporting sentence means the details that comes from the topic. So here we have 3 parts: topic, support, and concluding. Topic sentence means I give you a general idea or the main idea. Then by support sentence, I give you the details about this idea. The concluding sentence is the summary or the brief of our idea. Let's go to know this from our paragraphs that we learned during this term. Okay. Here we have some paragraphs. I can't read all the paragraphs, so I give you samples of this paragraph, and I will leave the rest to read it by yourself. I leave you the link of this paragraph below the video to download it and read it again. Okay. So here we have the first paragraph that in the first unit that we took it, which is our senses. So here we in this paragraph we learn the senses, and we learn what is the function of every sense. Here we say we have 5 senses. So here is the topic. Have some 5 senses. What these senses? What is the function or the job of every sense? Let's know. They help us every day. We see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, we smell with our nose, we taste with our tongue, and we touch with our hands. Let's go to another item here, or another paragraph here. Your healthy habits. So here we talk about the healthy habits and what is the healthy food that we must eat it, and the unhealthy food that we take it. We take few of them, not a lot, to live healthy or to stay healthy. Let's go to know more about this. We must eat healthy food. We eat fruits and vegetables. We drink water every day. We sleep early. We wash our hands. We must do exercise. Healthy habits make us strong. Let's go to another item here, which is helping community. So I select some of the paragraphs, not all the paragraphs. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, you can't read all the paragraphs. I can't read all the paragraph because I don't want to make the video longer and to be able to listen again. Okay. So here I select some of these paragraphs to know how to write it. Give you the items that we use it in writing a paragraph, and we can read it by yourself after I finish the video. I will leave the link to read it again. Okay. Here we say helping the community. We can help our community in many ways. So in this unit, we learn the community and the ways that we help our community. We can help our community in many ways. We can clean the streets. We can plant trees. We can help old people. We can be kind to others. Helping is a good thing. So here we'll talk about help. So community problems and solutions. Here in this unit, I think we'll talk about the problems of our community, like cleaning the streets, like planting gardens, and so on, and how to solve these problems. I think we learned this during the term and know how we can solve these problems. Some places have trash in the streets. Some people don't plant trees. These are problems. So here we have trash and can plant trees in the street. So these are problems. Here, yes, we have problems. How can I solve these problems? We can solve them by what? We clean the tree. We clean the streets, plant trees, and we help each other. Let's go to another one here about how to stop air pollution. So here we have here a problem which is air pollution, and we want to stop this habit or see this problem. What can we do it? We can stop air pollution by planting trees. So here I think we learn in science the photosynthesis process and know that the plant by this process absorb the carbon dioxide and giving us what? And giving us oxygen. I think we learn this in science, and I think your teachers are perfect in this subject and know how to and learn with them how this process, and learn with them how this process is important for us to clean air. Okay, we can stop air pollution by planting trees. We should walk or ride bikes. Don't burn the trash. Use fewer cars. Clean air helps people. Clean air helps people, animals, and plants live better. So if we live in fresh air, we can breathe well. Okay, I think so. Let's go to another item here, which is learning from mistakes. I think all of us will have mistakes, and it's not wrong. We have a mistake, but we must learn from these mistakes. Let's know how to learn from our mistakes. Sometimes we make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. We can learn from them. When we fall, we try again. We become better and stronger. Mistakes help us grow. Means what? Means mistakes help us grow up and know what we do it wrong. Okay, but this don't mean to repeat this mistake again and again. Okay, must know this. Okay. Endangered animals. I think this is related to the environment, the nature about endangered animals. Okay, let's know more about this. Some animals are endangered. They are endangered. They are called endangered animals. People cut trees and pollute the water. These hurt animals. We must protect them. We must help them. Let's go to another one. This about this, I would like to, we have here two places, Katrine Mountain, and we have Siwa Oasis. This is the places that famous places in our country. So I read it for you if you want to, if you have these topics in the exam to write about Katrine Mountain or Siwa Oasis as the places we visited. I went to St. Catherine Mountain. I woke up early. I wore warm clothes. It was cold. I saw rocks and plants. At the top, I saw a big ministry. A big ministry. It's fun. A big ministry. The place, big ministry means a place that I think Christians pray in. Okay, this is a big ministry. A visit to Siwa Oasis. I went to Siwa Oasis with my family. We saw many palm trees. So Siwa, I think Siwa is famous with palm trees. Okay, was famous with this trees. We saw many palm trees. I think we know all the Siwa dates. Okay, no Siwa dates. This is the dates that came from for Siwa. Okay, the Siwa is famous for planting this date called Siwa dates. Okay, we saw many palm trees. The weather was hot. We drank fresh juice. People were kind. I liked the place. I want to go again. Doing your best. So here I would like to read this topic because it's important for us. Doing our best. We must do our best every day at school. So here I would like to know this topic because it's important for us to know how to do your best in studying, in working, in everything in our life. So doing best is important for all. If we work, I'll do best. If I study, I'll do best. If I do anything, do any task, you must doing our best. We must do our best every day. At school, we study and learn. So studying and learning is important for us. Why? Because we prepare you for working in the future. So we must learn and study well to have a good job in the future. This is important or not? Yes, this is important. Okay. At school, we study and learn. At home, we help our family. When we try hard, we feel happy. Doing our best makes us proud. Here is the job about firefighters. Let's read it together. Firefighters, firefighters, not fire. I'm sorry. Firefighters are brave heroes. Why? Because they treat with what? With fire. They stop fires and save people. They wear special clothes. They work day and night. Firefighters help us and keep us safe because they fighting the fire. We thank them. Okay. By this topic, we end from our video. Best of luck for you in the exam. I hope to benefit from this video. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.